Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I want to thank everybody that's been watching our videos and subscribing to our channel. We've had a lot of good responses and I think everybody is enjoying it. I think it's time to show you what we do best, and that's make some cocktails. It's getting to be close to summertime. The boat should be in the water, so we need a boat drink. And today's boat drink is called the Potted Parrot. So with no further ado, let's get pouring. We're going to take our shaker and we are going to start with 2 ounces of white rum. Next, we are going to use triple sec, and that we're going to use 1/2 of an ounce. Next, we are going to use a rich simple syrup. Now we're going to use 1/4 ounce of this. And normally you hear me talking about simple syrup. This is a rich simple syrup. It's actually a 2-to-1 ratio of sugar to water. It's a little bit sweeter, so as you're trying your cocktails, you can use more or less as you think. But the big advantage is this. Like regular simple syrup goes bad after 2 weeks, this has got a much longer shelf life. Okay, and once again, that's 1/4 ounce in there. Next, we are going to use Orgeat. This also is an almond liqueur. I'm going to get around to making this one of these days. It's the almond flavored liqueur, or syrup rather. We are going to use 1/4 ounce of that, and that's going in there. All right. Now for the healthy stuff. Fresh squeezed fruit juices. We are going to use 1 ounce of lime. And that is freshly squeezed because we all know fresh is best. After that, we're going to throw in 2 ounces freshly squeezed orange juice. Don't worry, I'm not going to say it again. Look at the color on that. That just screams freshness. All right, we're going to put some ice in the shaker. And we are going to give this a good solid shake to chill it down. All right. One last step, folks, and that's to pour our cocktail. We are going to use a chilled Pilsner glass, and because we've got fresh fruit juice in this, we can double strain it, and that'll help keep all the chunks out of the fruit for you. And got a little bit of extra stuff in there. And add some ice. To finish it off, fresh sprig of mint. Give that a good slap. Let the aroma, the flavor, the oils of that mint come out. And having a straw, and there you go. Today's cocktail, the Potted Parrot.
Is that for me?
You don't think I'd make one for me, do you?
That looks yummy.
What did you say?
That's good.
That's good. That's the Potted Parrot. Once again, folks, thanks for subscribing. Hit the like button. Have a cocktail.